Hey guys! I thought since we started learning about birds that I could read you guys a bird book, and it's called Birds Build Nests. And it's written by Yvonne Weiner and it's illustrated by Tony Oliver. So the illustrator draws all the pictures and the author writes the words. Here we go. Birds build nests, secret and deep, in holes in old trees or banks that are steep. That's where birds build their nest. Where is it in this one? Do you see it? I think they're going in there to go build it. Birds build nests where water birds wade. Large floating rafts in the lotus bloom shade. That's where birds build their nest. Do you see it? Those are big eggs. Look at the little baby. Birds build nests, tranquil and dark, in old hollow trees with rough weathered bark. That's where birds build their nest. So this one's inside of a hole in a tree, and look, what do you think this one's getting ready for? It's time to eat. Birds build nests on islands at sea, ocean rookeries for birds wild and free. That's where birds build their nest. This one must live near the beach. Birds build nests silhouetted up high, like magical castles perched in the sky. That's where birds build their nest. They built that one really high up. It looks like the highest spot that they could find. Nice and safe. Birds build nests, eggs deep inside, secret spaces where fledglings hide. That's how birds build their nest. So this one's deep. It goes down like a bucket so the babies can hide inside of it. Birds build nests from mud rich and brown, delicately lined with velvet and down. That's how birds build their nest. So sometimes they'll put feathers inside their nest. See how that one is? Makes it nice and soft and cozy. Birds build nests, true tailors of old, stitching intricate patterns of russet and gold. That's how birds build their nest. Look at that little bird and that nest and how much work that must have taken for that tiny little bird to do all that hard work. Oh my gosh. And look, there's a baby. Birds build nests, delicate and small, a spiderweb fantasy hidden from all. That's how birds build their nests. Look at that one. That one is a tiny one. Birds build nests on rough, craggy peaks, high in the mountains above valleys so deep. That's where birds build their nest. Look at the baby. Birds build nests in mounds that are warm, havens from predators, secure from all harm. That's why birds build their nest. So they're building their nest to stay safe. Birds build nests as waves splash the land, camouflaged eggs among seashells and sand. That's where birds build their nest. See, the eggs are kind of camouflaged and they blend in. So camouflage means it blends, so it's harder to see where it is. And that helps keep the egg safe. Birds build nests as spring comes once more, invisible hollows on the vast tundra floor. That's when birds build their nest. What kind of bird built a nest there? What's that one? It's a snowy owl. Birds build nests from morning till night, tireless weavers, designers in flight. That's when birds build their nests. And then the back has all sorts of pictures of all the different kinds of birds that we saw in the book. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll see you soon, all right? Miss you guys.